Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, March 16th at 6:30 in the morning, and we are continuing our coloring book project. I'm almost done with the drawing on the first one. I may need one or two more. I'll determine that later today when I lay them out and see what I have. I think I've got 29 good ones, and we are going to see if I need to do one more or not. But the next step will be erasing all the pencil marks off of the drawings so they don't scan into the picture, so I can upload to Amazon KDP and create my coloring book. I'm hoping all that will take place in the next 2 weeks, and I'm shooting for around April 1st to get this done and get it out. But in the meantime, while I'm scanning and cleaning and editing the pictures, I'm going to be working on book 2, which will be the start of the ocean critters. So this one is not the last one, but I'm pretty sure it's close. I may do a kitten mouse one for the final. Foxes, I've always loved the fox. We would see them every once in a while on the farm, not too much. Occasionally out in the garden, roaming around. They do tend to like mice and rats. Again, we had owls and cats and black snakes, all kinds of wildlife to take care of rodents in the area. And we would actually hear coyotes more than we would see a fox, but occasionally we would catch a glimpse of one. They're pretty sneaky, pretty wiry. They don't like to be visible, and they're pretty smart. They can get into chicken coops very easily. But actually, while living in Nixa for like 10 to 15 years, 2 years ago, across the road was an empty lot, and I would see a suburban fox every once in a while creeping around, shining my flashlight out, and I would see his little eyes light up, or her eyes light up, don't know. But I did read a little bit about them, and they do, besides eating mice and rats and other small rodents and critters, they can make up to 40 different sounds. They can sound pretty creepy, but I think they sound cool. So they are active from dawn till dusk, so that's why you don't see them very much in the daytime. They like staying in the shadows and in the background. I thought this one turned out pretty good. I decided to go ahead and put it in a nighttime, so went away from my normal sunshine picture. So here's my final cute fox, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.